After unpacking your Electron wheel, you'll find two accessories boxes. One contains the Electron wheel charger, and the other contains the wheel's pedal sensor and charger. We recommend charging these before installing your wheel. Once charged, you're ready to begin the installation process. Begin by removing your bike's front brakes. Next, carefully flip your bike over and remove its existing front wheel. With the Electron wheel in hand, loosen its quick release. This is located on the same side as the charger port. Be careful not to loosen too much. Ensure that the wheel's T-lever assembly is on the same side as your bike's chain and is positioned in front of the bike's fork. Next, lower the Electron wheel into place on your bike's front fork. Once securely in place, tighten the quick release, but don't close it. Loosen the T-lever quick release. You'll need to make sure the spring-loaded lever is as fully extended as possible. The lever needs to be in contact with your bike's fork. Then, tighten the T-lever quick release to lock it in place. Rotate the Electron wheel one full cycle, pushing it away from your bike's chain. Now, close the quick release on the charger port side of the wheel so that it leaves a light imprint on your palm. Rotate the wheel towards your chain and make sure there are no obstructions. You'll now need to carefully flip your bike upright. It's critical to now reattach your front brakes. Lastly, attach the pedal sensor to the crank opposite your bike's chain. The recommended orientation is so that the device faces inwards. Also, make sure the pedal sensor is as close to the base of the crank as possible. Once secure, rotate your crank to ensure there are no obstructions. If there are, you can orientate the sensor on the outside of the crank. You'll now need to download the Electron Wheel mobile app from either the App Store or Google Play Store. Take your bike to a flat, open area and power the wheel and pedal sensor on. In the mobile app, push Connect to sync your phone with the Electron wheel. Next, indicate whether your pedal sensor is located on the inside or outside of your pedal crank. Then, push Calibrate and follow the on-screen prompts. Ride the bike approximately 200 meters and return to your starting position. It's important to maintain a constant speed and to continue pedaling throughout the 200 meters. If you're on a decline, lightly compress the brake while continuing to pedal. After the wheel is calibrated, you're ready to enjoy.